Hey there, friends! Ever wondered how to get the most out of your dishwasher? Today, I'm sharing 5 super easy hacks to keep your dishwasher clean, fresh, and working like a dream. Let's dive right in. Trust me, you're going to want to try these. Hack number 1, white vinegar. If your dishwasher's starting to smell funky or you see that chalky buildup, vinegar is your best friend. Just pour a cup of white vinegar into the top rack of your empty dishwasher, run a hot cycle, and let it work its magic. It helps break down limescale, removes odors, and leaves your dishwasher fresh and clean. Hack number 2, grab a lemon, cut it in half, and place one half in the cutlery basket or on the top rack. Run your usual cycle, and your dishwasher will smell amazing, and your dishes will come out with an extra sparkle. Hack number 3, ever had those annoying plastic containers flying all over during a cycle? To keep them in place, just tuck them under a heavier item, like a plate. That way they stay put, and you won't have to deal with them flipping over and filling up with dirty water. Last but not least, hack number 5, baking soda for those tough stains. Sprinkle some baking soda on the bottom, run a short cycle, and let it tackle all that grease and grime. It helps bring your dishwasher back to peak performance, so every wash is like the first time. There you have it. 5 easy dishwasher hacks to keep things fresh, clean, and running smoothly. If these tips helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple, effective hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy dishwashing.